Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair lace, if you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the pliers, dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a wig with a closure, and I'm going to use the guideline map cap. It has all the guidelines already in it, and it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. The only thing is, like right in here, even though it's a small cap, 19, it says 19 to 20 inches. Right up in here it's kind of big, so I'm going to have to like adjust that a little bit so it won't be so big. That's what I'm going to have to do. And then the closure, they have it where it starts back here, but this is a 4x4 closure, so I had to scoot it up. You know how you have to scoot it up so it can be where you want it to be, so I had to do that. And that's not that bad because I can easily just sew tracks right here. So let me get started with this, you guys. Okay, I'm going to be making this wig with the tri-colored hair, and I've made a wig with this hair before. This hair feels really good, hardly any shedding. Okay, you guys, I'm about to start my closure, and I started a little bit back behind the that dark black elastic band because I don't want that knot on the front of my closure. And I'm sorry I'm getting out of focus because I wasn't focused, but then I start pulling the canvas head back so that I can reach the front. I'm sorry, you guys. Give it a few more seconds and it'll go right on back to normal, okay? Okay, you guys, I finished going forward. Now I'm going back. And usually I stop when I do one side and then I go to the next side. But I wasn't doing all that. This closure is super tight and it's pulled tight. There's no pucklies or nothing. And I know I won't have to take it down. So for the sake of saving some time, I'm just going to keep going right on through. Right on through. And I know you guys can't see it right now, but see how I take the needle and I put it through the little loop so that it'll create like a little knot. I don't even know what that stitch is called, but that's just how I do it. Someone told me what it was a long time ago, but I forgot what it was. That thing flat, y'all. It is flat. Okay guys, I am going to start sewing the tracks on, but it looks to me like I'm gonna have to sew that cap down because it's big. It's definitely bigger than a 19 to 21 inch for real, and I'm using a 21 inch canvas. But for now, I'm just gonna sew this first track on, and I am doubling the tracks. I should have sewed the wefts together in the sewing machine, but I didn't feel like dealing with that drama. My sewing machine be tripping. Anytime I'm having a good day, it always want to do something to make it where I'm frustrated. and want to throw it across the room. So I said, in order to avoid that, I'm just going to sew the wig by hand. Does take longer, but I didn't feel like being aggravated today with that sewing machine. And I sew it all the way across. Like I said, I sew it all the way across, and then when I get to the end, I take one piece, not both of them. I take one piece of the track and bring it over and sew it down. You'll see. I got that one piece right there. I'm going to pin it. And I'm going to sew that one piece down, make it super flat. And then I bring the other one just a little bit over, just a tad bit over. Or actually a tad bit above. And then I angle it going down so that the two tracks can meet up. And that makes it to where it's not bulky on the end. And I decided before I went another step, I was going to sew that extra part of the cap up. Did I sew it up or did I? We'll see in a minute. But right now I'm pinning it up. Yeah, I think I just sewed the tracks over where I had it pinned up. No need in doing double work. Here I go again on the edge. I'm angling that going up so that I can meet up with this line right here. And again, I'm gonna pull that one weft over and go to the other side, pin it down. Then take the next one and put it a little bit above. It might look like it's directly on, but it's not. And then after I do that, I just join the wefts together, doubling them. And I usually double the first like 4 rows, or actually the first bundle, because I don't like for my wigs to be transparent. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing throughout the wig, and I may or may not shut up. May or may not. Okay, you guys remember where I had those pins at? Where I had tucked the stocking cap? Where the cap mat? I'm just sewing right over that right now. You see the pins right there, sewing right over it. And when I sewed over, it made the lines a little bit different, but you can still go by, there's still lines there, so you still have like a guide to go by. So and I forgot to say that the bundle that I'm putting on now is 20 inches. I have 20 and 18. I did to use 2 20s and 1 18. Had to go in and take those pins out where I had tacked it down or pinned it up to make the cap smaller. So yeah. Now I'm just putting some Moroccan oil. As I was saying before, after I do each track, each bundle I put Moroccan oil on it. And as you can see, I'm at the top part of the wig. I didn't record all the in-between because it would have been repetitive. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, as you can see, I am right at the last track that's meeting up with the closure on the side. That's on the right side, I believe. And what I'm doing is I'm taking the needle under the track, and when I bring it up, I grab like the very tip of the closure. Just the very tip. That's it. And I do the same thing at the top. I start a little bit before that black elastic band, go to the front, then go back. And it's almost like when you're sewing the wig on the sewing machine, you go forward, you go reverse, forward, reverse to secure that the ends so that it won't come loose, because that's the part that the comb hits a lot. So when you go forward and back, it's like dang on there emulating the sewing machine. And you guys see that space? Hold on, let me show you guys that space. That space right there that I said they made the closure piece too big. I'm just gonna take the tracks straight across. It's almost like when you do your own guidelines, you have those 2 or 3 lines that go straight across. And I see where it's a little bit sparse, where this little yellow pin is. But I'll go back in and put some hair right there. And while I'm sitting here editing this video, I started the wig on Monday. Well, I finished the wig on Monday because I knew she was picking it up today, and I had texted her to see what time she was coming, and she just texted me back saying that she's on her way. It is 6:56 a.m. on Tuesday morning, and she works the graveyard shift, so she lives far, so she'll come and pick her wig up and then I guess go home or do whatever. But yeah, you see how close those tracks are? They're seamless to the closure. No lumps, no bumps. Oh, and I forgot to say that when I'm starting a new track, I always take the needle through the weft and then through the cap. You guys, if you guys know how sleepy I am right now while I'm editing this video, because this video is going to go up on Friday, and today is Tuesday. I already have videos scheduled for Wednesday, so it's going up on Friday, and I do videos 3 times a week. However, if I have some extras, I'll just let them get in where it fit in. Like today, I might do some vlogging. I did do some vlogging yesterday, and I might put that up for today. And I did use, remember I said I was going to use all the new stuff that I ordered? This guideline cap is one of the new things. And what else did I use? Oh my goodness, you guys. The other day I used something, but I don't remember what. What did I use? But mostly everything was new. Oh, I did the kinky curly wig. That was a video that I needed to do. And I also, I don't remember. And I'm vlogging with I'm recording with my iPhone because my camera is still in the shop. Best Buy just sent me a email saying that they've started working on the camera. And they said that, but when I took it, they said if it's not repairable, then they'll just give me a new camera. But yeah, I was complaining about that camera, but man, I can't wait till it get back. Okay, you see how I did that? I just sewed that, you guys. I went through the track, and then I grabbed like a teensy weensy piece of the lace. And her part is going to be on the right hand side. I'm just putting some foam down to lay down those little flyaways, you guys. I did not pluck the edges or anything, and I'm not going to bleach the knots because I used the makeup for that. I'm not doing all the extra stuff. Unless the lace was just dark, then nah. Nah. Yep, now I'm going to cut that cap off. Oh my goodness, some of that wig cap off. And you can't see it right now, but I'm not going close to where I stitched at. I'm going to put the wig back on the canvas head. And then I'll go because I can see exactly where I sewed. And because the video is sped up, I was not cutting quick like this. I go slow because I don't want to have to re-sew anything at all. Look how that looks so nice. Okay, you guys, it's done. I haven't plucked the edges yet. I haven't pressed it, flat ironed it or anything, but it's done. I have another client coming in real soon. So I just put it to the side and I will finish it off tomorrow. No, sometime tonight. Sometime tonight for sure, because I know she's coming early in the morning to get it. So yeah, that's that. And of course it's gonna be cut some, but I won't cut it until I put it on her hair. On her head, I should say. So that's that. You guys will see it when it's done. It ain't done yet. They got these long old baby hairs on this. Okay, anyway. Y'all see it later. Okay, you guys, I thought she was coming to pick the wig up, but she was coming to get the other wig that she got done 2 weeks ago, taken off, and then the one that I just made yesterday put in. I don't need to rebraid her because her braids are still intact. Just using some rubbing alcohol to get all the excess glue off of her hairline and forehead. You guys, I was praying that she didn't fall asleep today. I was praying and she was talking like she was wide awake. But that wasn't the case. That was not the case at all. So I'm using a knee-high stocking cap that I got from Dollar Tree. It's super thin. I just love it, you guys. I love it. Especially when you put the makeup on it. It looks so good. And I saw somebody doing this on YouTube. I can't remember who. She said she wanted a copper-colored wig. And I showed her a copper-colored wig. Oh, no, that's it. Then she said she wanted ginger. I said, if you think copper is too orange, ginger is even oranger. So, yeah. Now she wants a ginger or copper color hair with low lights, with dark highlights. So I call them low lights. So yeah, I'm getting ready to put some got to be glue on in front of her hairline. And I think I'm going to put like 3 layers on there. Get that blow dryer to speed up the process of the glue drying. Now I'm just cutting off the excess stocking cap. And she done fell asleep, you guys. Oh my goodness. And I told her, you need to wake up because these scissors are coming towards your face, your forehead. And I don't want to be blamed for cutting your forehead up. I think I had like a mini tantrum at one point in this video. Now I'm just spraying some Eben Wonder Lace adhesive to even secure that stocking cap even more. Man, was just so hard for me. It's always hard when she falls asleep like this and her head goes back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. And what you don't hear is me saying, come on, help me out. Please help me. And then at one time, I cussed a few times. And I was like, forget it. Your hair is going to be what it's going to be because I don't have time to wrestle with you today about you. About you. See, your head ain't even in vision now. Okay, there it goes. Back in view. Now I'm just putting some powder on the stocking cap. Can't even do that because look at her head, you guys. Look. And that is the wig you saw at the beginning of the video that I made for her. This is just ridiculous, you guys. The next time for sure she comes, she's going to have to come on a day that she has not been to work or a day that she's not tired. But it seems like it really doesn't matter because she's always tired. But I'm just putting some Bold Hold Extreme on there. And then that dried, I'm just cutting those little tab things off the closure. I wanted to take some water and just put some water, like a few drops of water in her mouth. But then with my luck, she would have drowned and I would have been in jail. Drowned in a few drops of water. Child, I don't know, I'm just blow drying it so that the glue can dry quicker. And I think I probably put too much on. I think I put too much on. That's why it's taking so long. And like I said in another video she was in, she doesn't like her edges plucked. She likes them to look like that. So I do pluck the baby hair area a little bit. I'm just putting some wax on there, Kera styling wax on it. I put a little bit of, very little bit of got to be glued freeze splash spray because I'm getting ready to press her edges. And right now I'm just putting concealer on her part and the edge of the closure. How does one just sleep like that? How does one just sleep like that? I was so frustrated. I couldn't even tell her. I said, forget it. Just forget it. I ain't even going to do that part. That stuff is on there. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, my back is hurting for some reason. I'm just cleaning that excess adhesive off of her forehead, or should I say hairline. I'm just plucking where the baby hair is, because at this point, you guys, I'm just ready for it to be done. Just ready to be done. And she just wants one little piece of baby hair. That's it. So it makes my job easier. I'm going to give her what she wants. And I have to tell her to wake up. I'm going to use a pressing comb, and I'm not going to burn myself. I'm trying to protect you because I have burned myself a couple of times trying not to burn her when she was asleep. And her head was bobbing. And you guys, I'm giving her a trim now. After I finished her hair, she said she was going home and going to sleep. But she stayed in my house for another 30 minutes just talking, like wide awake. I don't understand that. I really don't understand it, y'all. Can somebody help me? Please help me understand that. I know you guys can't see anything, but I had her stand up. What was I doing? I think I was doing something to her hair. I forgot what. I said, I'll just have you standing here. At least she was woke, hell. I'm just putting more makeup on the hairline. I believe I put some little oil sheen on my finger. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching and bearing with me while I got through this wig install. Man, I almost didn't make it. I almost just gave up. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you, and as usual, in closing, stay blessed.